Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a rose. So this is going to be the drawing part, and in the next video I will be showing you how to color this in, and I'll also show you what it looks like here, what it's going to look like when it's colored in. So let's get this tutorial started. Okay, so what you need to do to start this is simple pencil, eraser if we need it, and to start this we're going to start at this point right here. Okay, this one right here. What we're going to do is create a vase like shape. Okay, so let's start, and about here. Okay, and just going along this from about here, depending on how much of a width you want. Let's make this a little more just in case. Okay, about here I think. Okay, so we are going to go here. You can see me curving this right about here, just connect it like so. Now we have a vase like shape. Okay, so now what you're going to do is right here, okay, gonna take this and you're gonna join it. Okay, but you're gonna curve it about here. This makes up one petal. Okay, and from here you are going to just connect it like this. Okay, now after this you can, from here, I would say right about here, we are gonna make this curved like shape. Okay, for this leaf, oh sorry, for this petal. So just go outward and then come inward and just connect it about here, right here, connect it about right here. Okay, and then what you're going to do is right here, starting from right here, you're gonna take this upward, just bring it out a little bit, and then just curve and bring it inward. Okay, like this. And now what we are going to do is we are going to, from here, connect these two like so. And then what we are going to do is create another petal, okay, like this, and then we are going to take it about here. Okay, after this, a little bit more. Okay, and after this we are going to connect it like this, and then take it down like this. what you can add a little more detail. Okay, like for example, can add a leaf like it's coming out like this, it's going inward, and it's connecting about here. And you can do the same here. I'm going to create the stem of this rose, and it's gonna be a simple stem, just something that bends here and then just goes down like so, and here kind of create another leaf about here, kind of like this. Okay, you could kind of create a leaf like here. Okay, but that's up to you, honestly. That one is up to you. Okay, so this is our rose, and this is the drawing part. Next is going to be the coloring part, and we are going to do that in Illustrator. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.